everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now I know I haven't been here to do a video for you guys, but I'm back. Today is a much requested video from my Instagram followers on how I created these really cute jersey crop ruffle tops, whatever you want to call them. So if you're interested in seeing that, then let's get to it. Okay, first you start out with your jersey or your garment or whatever top that you're using, because again, you can use this with any type of top. And you measure from the neck to the bottom of your bust or wherever you want the shirt to hit you on your waistline. I want mine to be super cropped where my stomach shows, so I'm measuring that part. Now remember, when you add the ruffles, you will have a couple more inches after. So account for the inches after the ruffle as well for where you want the shirt to hit. Next, you're going to take the extra bit of fabric that you cut off and you're going to cut in strips. Now again, this is up to your discretion on how long you want the ruffles to be. My ruffles are 4 inches each, and you also have to account for an extra maybe ½ inch that you're going to use as a seam allowance when you do sew it on the bottom of your top. So because I didn't cut the sides of my shirt, when I do cut my strips, it will end up being 2 long strips. If you cut the sides of both sides, then it will be 4 strips, but I only decided to cut open one side of the strip, which makes it easier for me to decide where my strips need to go. So I'm going to turn the shirt upside down and I'm going to use the elastic to kind of determine how large of a pocket I need for my elastic band. And mine is about a ½ inch elastic, and so I'm going to sew all the way around, making sure to leave about an inch of space so that I can put my elastic through, feed my elastic through. Then you're going to take your sewing machine and you're going to sew along that edge, again leaving an inch space available for your elastic to be fed through. Now I'm going to make my ruffles like I always make my ruffles on any outfit that I have ruffles on. I'm going to take a needle and thread and I'm just going to feed the needle in and out at the very top of the fabric, and that's how I create my ruffle. I do it along the very top of every piece, and then I leave the fabric in and kind of organize my ruffle of how long I want my ruffle to be or how short I want my ruffle to be on my garment. Now this is how I space my ruffle out on my thread, and I use my thread as an anchor to help me keep my ruffles in order, and so that's why the thread is very important. Then you take your jersey that is still inside out and you figure out where you want your ruffles to be. Now you make sure that you have enough fabric to create enough ruffles for your garment. If not, you're going to have to add some more ruffles. So make sure that you kind of spread them out so that you have enough for your entire perimeter of the bottom of your shirt. Now to feed your elastic through is really easy. I already fed it through on the video, and you just put a safety pin on the end and you just feed it through till it comes to the other side. When it comes through the other side, it's really simple. You're going to cut it and you're going to sew those 2 sides together. And once those 2 sides are sewn together, like you see in the video, I kind of go back and forth a few times just to make sure it's solid. You're going to stretch out your garment and it pulls the elastic on the inside. Then you're going to slightly stitch up the hole closed. And there you have it, the cutest crop jersey. Now again, you can do this with any top. You can actually do this with a sweatshirt. You can do this with any type of t-shirt, just to make it fun and fabulous without it being so boring. So I hope you guys like this video. Here are a few ways that I actually styled this look. The first look steps it up a notch. It is a Gucci belt, some leather pants, and some really cute clear mules. The second one is a little more quirky. I add a army fatigue pencil skirt with some red Nike platform tennis shoes. And lastly is the most casual of them all,
some denim jeans with holes in them, along with some mesh pumps.
Okay, so that was really simple, right? So if you like that video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss another video. And if you decide to make one of these tops, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram at jusbtv so that I can, repost it to my followers so they can see how you created your top that you love just for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you later.